Hi, Nick here at Viqua. Today I'm going to show you how to install the lamp and sleeve utilizing the new improved sleeve bolt that we have here at Viqua. This is utilized on the D4, the E4, and the F4 series. We've improved the sleeve bolt to reduce the risk of misaligning the cords when placing it into the chamber. We also changed the color of the sleeve bolt to gray, and we did this to better distinguish between the lamp and the sleeve bolt. And the new sleeve bolt only requires one O-ring, so it's less likely to pop out when someone forgets to depressurize the UV system before removing the lamp. So first step you're going to do is you're going to put on gloves. You always want to put on gloves when you're handling sleeve and lamps. Step number 2 is you're going to take the cord sleeve. Make sure you identify which one is the open side and slide the O-ring over top of the open side. And you're going to slide the cord sleeve into the chamber slowly, and at the bottom you're going to feel a spring. So you want the cord sleeve to sit on that spring. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the new improved sleeve bolt and you're going to screw that in to the chamber just like that. Hand tight is fine. You don't need any tools to do this. Then you're going to take the lamp and you're going to put the lamp into that cord sleeve. And you're going to slowly turn that lamp till it comes to a stop, okay? You don't have to tighten that any further, okay? Now make sure with lamps that you're always using genuine Viqua products. This is very important to keep the integrity of the system in good form. And that's it, you're done. There you go. See? Not so bad, that was easy, right?